wing that we saw was because of all the debris and water on the road, the visibility's so bad. It's a real nightmare to get around to just see all the cars on the roadway. And as you see on expressway, if you're going up, water splashing over from the other side because of all the standing water. So, 45, 50, that's what we're going right about now, Lisa, and it's still pretty tricky.
And you got gusts out there that every now and again kick up and knock them down too.
Yeah, there's a lot of debris, Jonathan. Most likely it's speed, but we have seen some branches, some small branches getting moved around, getting thrown around. So you have a lot of hazards to deal with. And like I said, especially in the sidewalks where you've got more trees, where you have more things that you get
Right there.
around.
See that right there?
But
That looks like a funnel cloud right there.
We'll take a quick break. We'll be right back.
That's what I'm talking about. Right there. See it right there? Right there. The wind behind the tree.
Winds are howling out this.
Sandy is a monster. It's 1,000.
Pretty sure that looks like a funnel cloud.